Our goal is to help you determine the placement for new sites, recommend probable tenants for co-location, identify potential discardable sites in order to consolidate your site's portfolio, and to analyze the post-rollout quality of service. Weplan Analytics Network Quality and Site Management Dashboard is a web-based tool that allows TowerCos to answer these questions, providing an interface to graph and map KPIs, networks, and frequencies distributions, events density, and competing cells and sites within an area. To do so, all that is needed is to load the desired locations from a file, text, or just by right-clicking on the map. With the provided coordinates and distance radius, we will analyze all the measurements that took place within that area. The analysis can be segmented and filtered by dates, coverage network, coverage type, frequencies, differentiating whether the event took place on indoor, outdoor, and more. After the analysis runs, the user is presented with multiple KPI insights, all regarding different signal quality indicators that answer these questions. How many GPS measurements took place in the area? How is the selected KPI values distributed, allowing to compare between networks' performances? Assessing how networks are doing in that regard with simple statistics and clues. How is the sample distributed among networks, as well as how is each network doing in giving the best or worst service in each grid area? How are the measurements distributed by distance from the selected location? Additionally, the user is able to check how many competing sites and cells are already in the area, what networks they serve, and which frequencies they are using. Our tool also provides a quick look into the selected area topography and metadata, such as elevator insights, contour maps, and relevant points of interest nearby. Our map HIS enables fast geographical analysis of the KPIs with multiple visualization techniques and on-the-fly aggregation that provides the best user experience and adapts to each user needs and requirements. With this visualization, the user is able to do many things, such as quickly spot areas with the worst quality of signal, see which places are more relevant in terms of volume, how does the quality of signal fare in each directions, how does the distance affect the KPI distribution, and compare the best and worst networks geographically. Additionally, the sites overlay allow identifying competing sites within the area, what cells do they host, and what are their frequencies. All this information can be exported into images or CVS files and can be performed on a bigger scale using our dedicated mass export service, where the user loads as many locations as they need, sets the desired filters, and selects which analysis they want to receive to their emails. Our dashboard includes a radio frequency simulator that allows the user to simulate the placement of a new tower. It is as simple as entering the coordinates where you want to place the new cell and tinker with its specs, including the azimuth, horizontal width, frequency, and more, tuning the simulation to your projected needs. The user would then be able to check in real time how modifying the parameters affect the cell projected performance. By activating the comparison, we can compare the projected performance with the current real-life situation and analyze how much and where the new cell would improve the area's quality of service. As always, the tool allows exporting the data, both as CVS and GeoJSON.